Hi guys, I'm here with the August Degustabox opening, and let's see what's in this great box. There's a link in the video description where you can get it for $9.99, which is half price. There's no other fees, no other shipping and handling or anything. $9.99, it's a flat fee, and you can get everything that's in this box sent to you to try it out, and that's half price, and you can find the link in the video description. So I'm just going to open the top, and on the top we have High Brew, 50 cents off 1 can of High Brew espresso, double espresso coffee. Snap a photo of how you use your Tiger Tail mustard and share it on Instagram using the hashtag TigerTailIt for a chance to win the ultimate sample pack. Find out more at Discovering Tiger Tail. Tiger Tail Tube is coming. Redeem this coupon online at themustardcompanystore.com for your exclusive free tube of Tiger Tail Mustard Degustabox Tube 2018. Okay, so in the box we have Wise Stadium Nachos. These are new from Wise Snacks. These retail for 50 cents for a 1.25 ounce bag. The Stadium Nacho Bravo tortilla chips will have you saying it tastes like just like nachos at the ballpark. They're creamy, cheesy taste with a hint of pickled jalapenos piled on crispy whole grain corn tortillas. It's a flavor that delivers authentic stadium nacho taste in every bite. And there are, two packages in there. And then we have Colombina breakfast biscuits, mixed berries, 6 on-the-go packs. I don't see these on my sheet here, so I'm not sure if these are just a little extra or what. I see another Colombina product, but I don't see this one. So I can't even tell you what this retails for. Nutritious morning energy. Deliciously nutritious with probiotics and vitamin A, no artificial colors and flavors. The Good Crisp Company is reinvented the long-loved canister chip, taking out all the nasties but keeping in the taste and the form that we love. The product is gluten-free and uses no artificial flavors or colors and only non-GMO ingredients. Finally, a canister chip you can feel good about eating. And this is the original. And they also have sour cream and onion. Those retail for $3.49 a canister. Okay, we have a High Brew coffee, double espresso, 50 calories. And again, I can't find this on the sheet, which is strange. Okay, I don't know if there's a little extras there. Okay, so we have Prince of Peace ginger chews with lemon are an easy, convenient, and tasty way to enjoy ginger. A delicate balance of sweet and spicy ginger taste with pleasant, chewy texture. Ginger is also known for bringing comfort to the stomach, and these retail for $1.99. Okay, we have some Welcome to Popcorn, Indiana. It makes a bad movie good and a good movie great. Popcorn Indiana original movie theater popcorn is made from the finest popcorn, real butter and salt. More than delicious, the classic flavor transports you back to the magic of movies. Sit back and enjoy. Retails for $3.39 for a 4.75 ounce full-size bag. This is a 1.5 ounce bag in here. Okay, so here's sweet chili sauce. Amazon mild. This is by Colombina. Amazon pepper sweet chili is a sweet and piquant blend of cayenne pepper and tropical spices. These peppers are extracted directly from hand-picked peppers. This particular flavor is gluten-free, all-natural, kosher, and with no GMO or high fructose corn syrup. Retails for $3.69 for this bottle. Okay, so we have some protein water here. Ready Nutrition, the all-natural protein water with no artificial ingredients. Ready Water delivers 15 grams of high quality 100% whey protein isolate, absolutely no sugar, and 5 grams of electrolytes without any artificial ingredients. Want more? We believe we have the best tasting protein water on the market. Just try it. Retails for $2.50 for a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle. Okay, so we have some Post shredded wheat, frosted chocolate strawberry, bursting with chocolate chips. A tasty twist on the original Kick Off Your Day with Post shredded wheat, frosted chocolate strawberry cereal. The wholesomeness of shredded wheat biscuits combined with delicious strawberry flavored frosting and a burst of chocolate goodness in the middle. We've got a PR bar. All natural PR bars are gluten-free and packed with the perfect blend of carbs and vitamins to boost energy and endurance when you need it most. $1.99 a bar. The cereal retails for $3.49 the box. Sahel snacks, maple pecans, $1.49 they retail for with its blend of warm, sweet flavors. Sahel snacks, maple pecans, glazed mix, perfectly captures the comforting essence of pecan pie. The delicious mix evokes the nostalgic flavors found in American baking traditions with its dry roasted pecans and walnuts, apples, cherries. And then we have a Country Archer Jerky Company pork bar with uncured bacon. This retails for $3. Barbecues are a very manly thing. There's the fire, the opportunity to use beer as a cooking ingredient, but you don't have to be a dude to enjoy our sweet pork barbecue. You don't even have to like beer. You have to just be hungry and not feel like cooking. Okay, so that is our Degustabox there. Let's just quickly recap what we have here. So we have some things that were not on there. Extras, we've got our Good Crisp Company potato chips, we've got our sweet chili sauce, we have some high brew, we have some breakfast biscuits, we have 2 bags of the Bravo's frosted strawberry chocolate cereal, we have the popcorn, the protein water, we have the ginger chews, the pork bar, the free tube of mustard, and the PR bar. There it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. There's the flyer that comes in the box, and happy birthday to Degustabox. They're now 2 years old. You hear a police car, that is a video game my kids are playing. But anyway, this is the Degustabox. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.